Your glory, God, is what our hearts long for, to be overcome by your presence, Lord. Holy Spirit, you are welcome. Come flood this place and fill the atmosphere. Your glory, God, is what our hearts long for, to be overcome by your... Come on, Calvary, let's sing it all in one voice. Come on, sing. Holy Spirit, you are welcome. Come flood this place and fill the atmosphere. Your glory, God, is what our hearts long for, to be overcome. Oh, sing it again, Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit, you are welcome. Oh, tell it with all your heart. Come flood this place and fill the atmosphere. Your glory, God, is what our hearts long to be overcome by your presence. Sing it again, Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit, you are welcome. Lift up your hands and sing it out. Fill the atmosphere. Your glory is what we need, what we're longing for, to be over. Come on, sing it again. Holy Spirit, you are. Oh, you're welcome here. Oh, your glory. To be over. Come on, sing it one more time. Holy Spirit, you're welcome here. Oh, your glory, God, is what our hearts long to be overcome by your presence, Lord. Come on, let's sing it in one voice. Your presence, Lord. Oh, sing it again, your presence, Lord. Your presence, Lord. Oh, your presence is what we need. Your presence is what we want. Come on, sing it one more time. Your presence. Your presence.